Go feed stray dogs. They can't say thank you back to you. Don't even expect a thank you. Go to such people, help such people who cannot come back and say thank you to you. It's gone. It's over. So वो भी thank you की भी expectation नहीं रखना. And that you see the feeling, you get in touch with that feeling of yours inside. That is santosh. The right word is santosh. उसको हम English में हम contentment और satisfaction.
I personally don't believe in using a lot of English words when trying to make people understand, because I feel हम इतने blessed हैं, हमारी जो संस्कृत और हमारी जो भाषाएं language है उसमें इतना beautifully in words को explain किया हुआ है. यहाँ पर राजेश जी मैं आपको एक और चीज बताना चाहूँ. Socrates ने एक बहुत अच्छा एक phrase लिखा था, and it was just coming to my mind, that contentment is natural wealth and luxury is artificial poverty. And इसमें contentment हर philosopher ने बात की है, वो west का हो, वो east, या हमारे saints हो, ऋषि मुनि हो. Contentment एक ऐसी चीज है I feel जो हमें so let me relate it to the present circumstances, which is very, very prominent with what human beings have done. This word hoarding. Now, what does this word hoarding mean? Hoarding means that when you start dumping things, right? So, scientific research has also shown that once a human being's modest needs are taken care of, everything above that cannot give him happiness. Mark it. This is a scientific research done in the topmost universities when they have seen what makes a human being happy. And as I always love to say कि हमारे उपनिषदों में ये शुरू से ही लिखा हुआ है. Now the West is trying to reaffirm a few things, which means when our modest needs are taken care of, everything above that does not give us happiness. Meaning, I have one car, I have a beautiful home, right? My desire for a second car and a next home is not going to bring me happiness.
Correct, absolutely.
Because the idea of contentment and spirituality and we being spiritual beings is that we cannot have anything extra. That is called hoarding. So we have extra.
I'll come on to that word called spirituality you just mentioned.
We have extra thoughts. We have hoarded our thoughts. We have hoarded our homes with extra material. There is a lot of clutter in our homes. We have extra cars. We have extra property. We have extra. And now we see that when COVID-19 hit us, the government started saying, please don't hoard. There is enough for everybody. Sabko sab kuch mil jayega. Correct? Right. So the reason of unhappiness coming in people's life and discontentment coming in people's life is also the fact that they have never been able to draw a line between what their modest needs are and how much extra they want.
Precisely, this is what I was looking for. अभी वो मिल रहा है कि आप बताएं, please continue मैम.
तो अब आप देखिए कि प्रकृति जब अपने ऊपर आती है, भूमि, धरा, धरती, पृथ्वी, इन सब के अर्थ क्या हैं? I am just trying to simply say that the era is changing. We don't know what the new normal is going to be like, but I can say on any platform with pride today that only the spiritual, and mind you, spirituality is not a fad here, like the way people have been following. I mean authentic spirituality, right? And that is why I love Smita ji, because, it's like whenever we talk, we are going on another zone altogether. So when I say spirituality, I mean that we are able to realize कि planet और हमारे अंदर अहम ब्रह्मास्मि ओम तत्सत, हमारे अंदर उस planet के, धरती के, पृथ्वी के गुण आए या नहीं आए? नहीं आए. पृथ्वी ने इतना सहा, अब उसकी छाती को हम रोज रोंगते हैं. We are killing her every single day, but like a mother, she kept taking. But now the whole cosmic rule is not allowing her to do that. We cannot blame her anymore. उसने कब हमारे लिए कुछ किया तो जताया कि I am feeding all of you, I am changing season perfectly. Nothing. कभी भी किसी भी प्राकृतिक चीज कभी कोई जताती ही नहीं है.
That is true.
इंसान ने जब से जताना शुरू किया, इंसान ने जब से टारगेट्स को एक जीवन और मृत्यु का इश्यू बना लिया, मतलब टारगेट्स ना हो गए क्या? मतलब कॉर्पोरेट्स में मैं जाती हूँ, पीपल आर हैविंग हार्ट अटैक्स बिकॉज ऑफ टारगेट्स।
एग्जैक्टली।
आप दोनों से मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, मैं थोड़ा सा इस चर्चा को हल्का सा नीचे जमीन की तरफ लेके आना चाहूंगा। बहुत ऊंची ऊंची हम लोग बातें कर रहे हैं, और सबसे जरूरी बात है कि जो हमसे जुड़े हैं जुड़े रहें, और उनकी तरफ से कुछ सवाल मेरे मन में और मेरे जहन में आ रहे हैं। स्पेशलिटी की आपने बात करी, मैंने कहा था मैं इस टॉपिक के ऊपर वापस आपसे आके चर्चा करना चाहूंगा। स्मिता जी, जैसे अभी बताया डॉक्टर मीना ने, एक फैशन सा बन गया यही कहने के लिए मेरे तो गुरु ये है, मेरे गुरु वो है, मैं तो इनसे जाके मिल के आया हूँ, आप कहाँ जाके फॉलो करते हैं। ये सब चीजें जो है फख्र महसूस करते हैं हम बोलने के।
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन।
क्या हम असली गुरु तक पहुंच पाते हैं? असली गुरु से मेरा कहने का मतलब, क्या वो व्यक्ति हमें मिल पाया आज तक जो हमें हमारे असली मंजिल तक पहुंचा दे, और अगर नहीं तो कैसे पहचाने?
That's true. Now there is because of so many things that have happened, हमारा सच्चा गुरु कौन है इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा विश्वास थोड़ा सा shaken हो गया है. Actually, let me define the word spirituality. What my master Dadashri ji, most of you know that my master Dadashri ji, we have a small ashram in the suburbs of Maharashtra, Karjat mein. So mainly he defines spirituality, that spirituality is simpler than the word simple. That's his definition. It's simpler than the word simple. Now problem ये हुई है, हमारे लोग जो pose करते हैं spirituality को, the simplicity of it is completely vanished. You know, lot of people wear so many crystals, so many crystal rings, रुद्राक्ष की माला, ये टिक्का, वो सारा शोशा, जो अपने आप को जताना चाहते हैं कि मैं spiritual हूँ. Lot of people are into all that, and people do get carried away by the way they are decorating themselves.
True.
So the simpler you are, spirituality is simpler than the word simple. इतना simple है, अगर आप वो simplicity को touch करते हैं, spirituality is very simple, and you lead a very simple life. You don't have all these, you don't need all these things, because ये बाहर का जो नाटक है, I can't connect with those kind of people. I connect with the person's vibe. जितनी simple आपकी vibe है, जितनी simple आप appear होते हो, that is what connects to me. So I feel simplicity is one big major thing about spirituality. And गुरुओं की बात जो आपने की अभी, I'll tell you about my story. We really, it is difficult to find a right guru. I would say one suggestion, अगर आपको पता नहीं है आप किस गुरु के साथ कनेक्ट हो जाए, तो go with somebody who has already had a guru and experience. जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ, अगर आपके पास कोई गुरु नहीं, and if you believe me and trust me, I will take you to my guru. After that, it is your journey. फिर आप देख लीजिए आपको चाहिए, if it suits your sensibilities and your sensitivity, stay there. Otherwise, you're free to leave. That is one way. Secondly, whenever you meet any master, any guru, wherever you go for any processes or whatever, your heart can never lie to you. Your heart tells you, this is where I belong. This is the USP of maybe the spiritual organization or ye jo bhi hai, and I would like to go on this path. In future, if you feel कि बस मेरा यहाँ पे अभ्यास खत्म हो गया है, मुझे गुरु चेंज करना है, you're very welcome to do that. But you have to go and try everything to know what is right for you. Has been my journey. So I've had 3 gurus in my life. My today's master is Dadashri ji, with whom I'm connected for 8-9 years. This is what I have learned from him. If it doesn't suit you, you are free to leave. But the simpler you are, the simpler your knowledge is, the simpler you tell people about things, whatever about spirituality. Now, नाटक करने की जरूरत नहीं. Don't use very high words, very high spiritual lingo. There is no need for that. It is very simple. So spirituality जितनी simplicity है, वो touch करके देखिए आप. That has to resonate with your heart.
डॉक्टर मीना, यहाँ पर ना मैंने मैम से एक चीज पकड़ी स्मिता जी से, कि सिंपलिसिटी. नाउ अभी बड़ा आयरनिकल सा एक चीज है कि बिल्कुल ठीक बात है, लोग टीका लगा लेते हैं, रुद्राक्ष की माला डाल के अपने आप को ऐसे पोर्ट्रे करने की कोशिश करते हैं जैसे पता नहीं वो क्या है. उसके उल्टा जी उसके उल्टा उसका उल्टा अगर हम लोग देखें, जो लोग बहुत सिंपल रहते हैं ना, जो कि जैसे कि अब आप स्मिता जी हैं, आप हैं, मतलब गहराइयां आपके अंदर ऐसी हैं, नापने जाओ तो उसका नाप नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन बाहर से देखो तो यार वेरी सिंपल। आप लोगों से क्या बात करें, नई नई बात करनी है, आप लोग क्या जानते हो